Looking back on your childhood, what values or practices do you think your parents were trying to pass on to you?
I could say in a practical sense, the idea of keeping a kosher home. To me, that's been so important all these years. I have a word for it, and I can't think of it at the moment. It's really an exercise in strength, just keeping strong, doing this according to tradition. And I have more people say to me, I can think of maybe one couple that we are friends with who keep kosher, and none of the others do. And they'll always say, oh, it's such a bother, and it's so hard, and it's so expensive. I've always maintained I could keep kosher on a desert island because, as I said, I don't use a lot of meat. I wouldn't have to worry about getting kosher meat, fruits and vegetables, but I do 2 separate sets of dishes, 2 separate sets of silverware, and this is for everyday use. If I have company and you're using your good dishes, I have 2 more sets of dishes that I use, as we say, for nice, 2 sets of silverware. And 2 sets of pots and pans, dairy set and meat set. So all in separate cupboards. For Passover, I have all separate dishes and pots and pans, same way, but for the Passover holiday. But to me, being organized, it's no problem at all to keep kosher. And it adds strength to my whole being. So keeping kosher was very important.